Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dennis Deru from class Management 23C NPM 234111019. Here I will present material entitled Probability and Statistics and Introduction. Okay. Probability and Statistics and Introduction. Probability and statistics are fundamental tools used in various fields to analyze data, make predictions, and understand uncertainty. This presentation provides an introduction to the concept and application of probability and statistics, covering key topics like probability, distribution, sampling, estimation, and hypothesis testing. Okay, next. What is probability? Probability is the branch of mathematics concerned with the study of random phenomena. It quantifies the likelihood of an event occurring. Probability is expressed as a number between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates impossibility and 1 indicates certainty. Probability is essential for understanding and predicting random events, from coin flips to complex phenomena like weather patterns. Okay, number one key concept. Probability measures the likelihood of an event occurring. Events can be simple, like a coin flip, or complex, like a stock market crash. And number two, types of probability. There are various types of probability: theoretical, experimental, and subjective. Each type has a unique characteristic and application. Okay, number three, applications. Probability is used in various fields, including finance, medicine, insurance, gambling, and science, for making informed decisions based on uncertainty. Okay, next. Okay, types of probability: theoretical, experimental, and subjective. There are three main types of probability, each with its own approach to quantifying uncertainty. Theoretical probability, based on logic, reasoning, and mathematical principles. Its outcomes are equally likely and uses formulas to calculate the probability. For example, the theoretical probability of getting hit when flipping a fire coin is 1 or 2. Experimental probability, based on empirical observation and the frequency of events occurring in experiments. It is calculated by dividing the number of probable outcomes by the total number of trials. For example, if a coin is flipped 100 times and lands on heads 52 times, the experimental probability of heads is 0.52. Okay, next. Subjective probability, based on personal beliefs, opinions, and experience. It is used when there is no clear mathematical or experimental basis for determining the probability. For example, the subjective probability of a particular stock going up in value is based on an individual's assessment of market condition, company performance, and other factors. Okay, next. Okay, probability distribution function. Probability distribution function is a mathematical function that describes the probability of a random variable taking on a specific value. It is a graphical representation of the possible outcomes of a random event and their corresponding probabilities. VDFs are essential for understanding and analyzing random variables and their behavior. Okay, discrete distribution. A discrete distribution deals with a finite number of possible outcomes, such, such as the number of heads when flipping a coin of the number cars facing a certain point in a horse. Okay, in continuous distribution, a continuous distribution deals with an infinite number of possible outcomes, such as the height of a person or the temperature of a room. The probability of any specific value is zero, but the probability of the value falling within a certain range is non-zero. Okay, next. Normal distribution and its properties. The normal distribution is one of the most important and widely used probability distribution in statistics. It's a continuous distribution that is symmetrical, well-shaped, and characterized by its mean and standard deviation. The normal distribution is found in many natural phenomena such as human height, blood pressure, and test scores. Property: symmetry, bell-shaped mean, and standard deviation. And description: the normal distribution is symmetrical around its mean, meaning that the probability of a value being above the mean is equal to the probability of its being below the mean. Okay, the distribution has a characteristic bell shapes with the highest probability occurring at the mean and gradually decreasing as you move further away from the mean. And the normal distribution defined by its mean and standard deviation. The mean represents the center of the distribution, while the standard deviation measures the spread of the data. Okay, next. Okay, sampling and sampling distribution. Sampling is the process of selecting a subset of individuals from a larger population to study. Sampling distribution are the distribution of sample statistics, such as the sample mean or sample population calculated from repeated samples taken from the sample population. Okay, in number one, population, the entire group of individuals or objects of interest. In number two, sample, a subset of individuals selected from the population. And last, number three, sampling distribution, the distribution of sample statistics calculated from repeated samples. Okay, next. Okay, point estimation and interval estimation. In statistics, we use estimates to interpolation parameter from sample data. Point estimation provides a single value as the estimate of population parameter, while interval estimation provides a range of values that is likely to contain the true population parameter. In point estimation, a single value is the estimate of population parameter. Example include the sample mean as an estimate of the population mean and the sample proportion as an estimate of the population proportion. Okay, in interval estimation, a range of value that's likely to contain the true population parameter. Confidence intervals are a common type or interval estimate representing a range of values within which the true population parameter is likely to lie with a certain level of confidence. Okay, next. Okay, hypothesis testing concept and principle. Hypothesis testing is a statistical method which test claims about population parameters. It involves formulating a null hypothesis, a statement that is assumed to be true, and an alternative hypothesis, a statement that contradicts the null hypothesis. Based on sample data, we determine whether is enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative hypothesis. In null hypothesis, a statement that is assumed to be true until proven otherwise. In alternative hypothesis, a statement that contradicts the null hypothesis. Evidence sample data is used to the hypothesis decision. We either reject the null hypothesis or fail to reject it based on the evidence. Okay, next. Okay, last application of probability and statistics. Probability and statistics have numerous applications in various fields. playing a crucial role decision making, problem solving, and understanding complex phenomena in the research areas like in number 1 finance, number 2 medicine, number 3 marketing, number 4 session. And number 1 do exercise restriction right on manage investment and make informed financial decision. Number 2 to clinical trial analysis medical data and develop new treatments. Number 3 to understand customer behavior, target marketing campaigns, and measure marketing effectiveness. And number 4 last to design every experience analysis data and draw counsel about the real world. Okay, thank you.